Hi everyone, as I explained in my last video, mitten number 10 or for day 10 is going to look rather different from number 9. I thought I would just mix it up a little bit for you. So I'm trying to have a little think about what colour we might want to do this mitten. And I'm thinking maybe to make it really different to the rest of the page, maybe we'll do some browns because it could look a little bit more like a boy's mitten. Maybe. I know brown for a boy is a bit stereotyped, but you know, I was just thinking. Anyway, so I'm going to grab a few different browns. I'm going to start with this one. This is the raw umber from the Polychromos. I don't know. And I'm going to try and do it differently to this. So this is the lightest brown, so I'm going to use it in a different way. So I'm going to use it here. We're going to, instead of colouring all over that, we're going to do it in separate bits. I think that might make it look quite different. I want to mix it up a bit. So I've got that bit. Where should we go? We'll put a bit here. A little bit lighter in the middle, and where should we go? Maybe these. There we are. And then we'll go for a darker brown. So we grab this one. What's this? Oh, this is the Van Dyck brown. Get it to look right, I'm sorry. So we'll do a darker bit with this one here. So you see how I'm doing what I did yesterday, so a little bit darker to lighter, but not massively, so that it just helps to give us some shape without shine. And we'll do this one. I'm just trying to mix it up so that we don't have the same sort of pattern as on the last one. And you can have a think about what you'd like to do. There we go. Okay, next, what's that one? This is the burnt umber. I think you might be able to read that. I don't know. Okay, and we'll go in here. This one doesn't look that different to the other one, does it? It is though. And in here, and then up here, and these loops, semicircles. That's what they actually are, not loops. And colour them in. I don't normally have loads of ideas for Christmas colouring because I only used to have Johanna's Christmas, but this year I'm lucky to have been gifted quite a few Rita Berman books, and she has lots of fun Christmas pictures in her books. So there's plenty to do. Yeah, I'm going to leave that. I'm going to just sharpen this and do most of the rest in this colour, possibly all the rest. This is the dark sepia. It's no good me trying to show you the name because it's not there. So this is a sort of grey brown, which will just finish off our mitten. I'm feeling a little bit warmer now. It got quite cold just now, but anyway. I prefer to be cold than hot. I really dislike being hot. So at least if you're cold, you can usually, if you're lucky, go and warm up, light a fire, put on a few extra layers of clothing, have a warm drink, eat a nice stew, something like that. I know not everyone is lucky enough to have facilities to do that, but I can. And so that's why I feel more positive personally about winter, because in summer when it's really hot there's nothing I can do to cool down. so I don't find that anything really works. So that's my reasoning. I know other people disagree. Some people really dislike the cold. They love hot summers. They love going abroad where it's really hot and that sort of thing. That's fine. I've also noticed that people generally in the UK are happier in the summer. Although they're quite happy at this time of year, being Christmas. I think it's a really, really good festival. Whether you're religious and you celebrate it for those reasons, or I think a lot of people in the UK just celebrate it because it's a lot of fun. And whatever reasoning, it gives you something to look forward to when it's cold, and so it's a rather nice one to do. There's our mitten. I'm quite pleased with that, and it looks quite different to the purple one, which was always my intention. So that's him done. We're going to do this little wrapped sweet. Ooh, my arm just clicked. I don't know if that carried across the microphone. I think I'm going to choose some yellow, really bright yellow, for part of it. It's a striped sweet, so I think it will probably be a mint, but you know, actually if I do it yellow it's going to look like a bumblebee, so no, I'm not going to I'm not going to do that. I am going to do it as a mint. I think we'll grab this one. This is the light phthalo green, and I think we'll use this instead. Whew, I think we could have ended up with a disaster there. So with this I'm going to do more layers on the outside and less towards the middle to form a shine in the middle, like that. And then I'm going to do the wrapping with the same pencil, but fade it towards the edge. Now I'm going to have a quick look in the camera to see how effective the shine is, because of course this bit in the middle here is black, so it doesn't show it. What I'm going to do is grab my white. I'm using the Polychromos white. I'm not sure how good it is. Look, that stands out brilliantly. I wonder if it's to do with the colour of the pencil, and some of them you just can't see it as well. And I'm going to put a little dash of white on top of the black along that central bit to try and make that look a bit shy. I think that's worked. I'm happy with that. You can decide for yourself. So there's our boiled sweet, and there is our brown mitten. I don't think I've got anything else I can do today for you, so I'm just going to leave it there. Quite a short video, but hey ho, there'll be another video. You would have had a video this morning, I should imagine. I'm trying to think. I think so. So there'll be something else to watch anyway. And I've always got a lot of archive colouring videos that you can go back and watch if you want something else to see. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you were colouring, and happy colouring.